Junk drawers. Can't live with them, can't live without them. So what do you do? What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Krystal TV, where today we are talking all about junk drawers and how to keep them under control. My suggestion is definitely have one. You gotta have a junk drawer. As much as I am all about decluttering, you do need to have a place to put all of those little things that you aren't quite sure where they go or what they need to happen as a sort of landing place for them. I actually recommend that you have one on every floor. That also will help keep it organized, and so that you know at least what floor those items go on, right? Sometimes the things that go in junk drawers are just, we don't know what it is, or we might know what it is, but we're not quite sure, and it needs a home for a temporary moment. But if something from the second floor comes down to the first floor, it might never make it back again. So it's best to have one on every floor, and that way you can keep it under control. You do need to clean them out regularly. Pick your time frame that works for you. Maybe for you it's once a quarter. Maybe for you it's once every season. Maybe it's 3 times a year or once every 6 months. Maybe it's only once a year. Pick your rhythm and declutter it regularly, getting rid of anything that you don't have an answer for. And lastly, keep it small. Junk drawers are there to help you, but when they get too big, it goes beyond a junk drawer and into the start of a hoarder collection. It no longer serves its purpose, and it becomes something too large to control. Size matters. We all know that. So keep it small, clean it regularly, have one on every floor, and it makes it easier to love your junk drawer. When it comes to decluttering, having a system is important. Download my system, my 5-step guide to decluttering at declutteryourmindset.com, and leave me a comment. Let me know what questions you have about clutter or decluttering. And while you're down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.